What's up guys? Today I'll be showing you how to change kit numbers in FIFA 22. Now you can change the numbers on the kits of players. This include actual players and even players you've created in FIFA 22. So to edit the kit numbers, simply go to Customize from the main menu and then go to Create Player, and while you're here, flick on your right analog stick to move through the Create Player menu until you get to Edit Real Players. Select that and then choose whether it's a male player or female player whose kit number you want to edit. I'm going to go for male player. Now let's say I want to edit Neymar's kit number. So the first thing you need to do is locate the player. Now I know Neymar is in PSG, which is in France, and that's what I want to look for. So go to the country, look for the league. PSG is obviously in Ligue 1, and then look for the club, which is Paris Saint-Germain. There you go. And at the bottom, you should see a list of all the PSG players. Now go ahead and look for Neymar. There he is. Select. And with Neymar selected, we already know Neymar's kit number is 10. Let me just use the right analog stick to turn him around. That's his number, but I can change this to whatever number I want. So as you can see, the cap is at 99, which basically means you can only have 2-digit numbers. So I'm just going to go ahead and select that for now, and then press the options button to advance. And that's it. Now I have to tell you that edited teams or edited players will only work when you're playing offline. So this cannot be used in seasons or online friendlies. You can only use edits in local matches. And to make sure your match is local, when you're selecting the teams in a classic match or in any local match, make sure live form is turned off. On the PS5, simply press triangle and that will turn live form off. But you can see clearly in the middle there what button you need to use to turn live form on or off. Currently live form is on. Make sure it's off if you want to use any local edits. And then go ahead and select your team.
Excitement in the Parisian air. We're at the Parc des Princes here in the French capital. Kylian Mbappe. Neymar. Oh, did so well to deny him. It is a decent looking attack here. In with a chance. Not the easiest of situations. Rifled against the post, but back in play. And this might not be the ideal situation for them. In it goes! An early opening statement in this match. And look at the celebrations.
Well, let's see this again. He tries to run out with the ball. He has the ball taken off of him. He's made the wrong decision, and suddenly the ball's in the back of the net. Terrible defending.
And that's how to change kit numbers in FIFA 22. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.